This oil painting is generally attributed to the 19th century British artist William Etty and is commonly known as Venus and Her Satellites. The composition presents a large-scale multi-figure scene set within an architectural environment marked by classical columns and decorative elements. At the center of the composition stands a nude female figure, her arms raised and her body gently twisted in a natural, flowing pose. She is surrounded by several female figures, nude or partially draped, arranged in a variety of standing and kneeling positions. Some appear to assist with garments or ornaments, while others are engaged through gesture and bodily orientation. On the left side of the painting, a suit of armor and helmet rests on a low support, while on the right edge, a male figure holding a musical instrument is placed at the margin of the scene. Architectural columns and suspended foliage in the background contribute to a setting that feels both staged and ceremonial. The composition unfolds horizontally across the canvas, with figures extending from left to right in a continuous visual sequence. Despite the large number of bodies, the scene maintains clarity through careful variation in posture, height, and movement. The central figure occupies a slightly elevated position, establishing a structural focus, while the surrounding figures create rhythmic transitions across the surface. The architectural backdrop provides a stable framework that anchors the dynamic arrangement of bodies in the foreground. In summary, the significance of this painting lies primarily in its systematic exploration of the human figure. Through its complex yet ordered composition, restrained lighting, and refined technical execution, the work exemplifies the sustained interest in the nude that characterized a significant strand of British academic painting in the 19th century.